Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, June the 5th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have Google Lens that is now available from the Google Play Store, offering the same capabilities that were available on selected devices. So head on to your Google Play Store. You should see Google Lens as an app. I've installed it on my Galaxy S9 and works well, so check it out. Sharp has announced that it wants to buy Toshiba PC business. We knew that Toshiba wanted to depart from the PC business. Well, it seems that Sharp, which a long time ago had a PC division, sold it to Foxconn because it wasn't working well. But now it seems that it wants to get back into the PC side. Tim Cook criticized tech companies for the bad privacy, but at the same time, it kind of doesn't want, well, he says that he doesn't like the way that privacy laws are constructed right now, and that, well, he kind of wants to keep some of the privacy private, if we wish. Some of the announcements for the new operating system for Apple devices show that iOS 12 will be actually working on the devices that are supporting iOS 11. So anybody on iOS 11 right now will have upgrade to iOS 12. So that means the oldest device probably will be the iPhone 5S. That still will be on 12. It has, of course, the new feature that will now let you see and control your phone's battery usage and performance. Also, iOS or macOS 10.14 Mojave is going to actually leave some Mac users behind, as most Macs that were before 2012 will now not support the newest version of the macOS operating system. In talking about Mac OS and iOS, we also learned yesterday that iOS apps, so the ones running on iPads and iPhones, will be coming to Mac computers. And even though a couple of weeks back Tim Cook said nope, there won't be any merge of systems, I think this means that slowly iOS and macOS will at some point merge together. Well, while we are looking at the Worldwide Developer Conference for Apple, the world's biggest computer show is actually going on in Taiwan. It's called Computex, and of course many companies including Intel, AMD, Nvidia, and most PC makers are there to show the latest and the best that they have. Microsoft antitrust case is now 20 years old, and 20 years ago, well, the antitrust case of Microsoft dominating with Windows, with Office, with Internet Explorer changed pretty much not only Microsoft itself, but the tech industry as a whole, because it kind of changed the way companies can do things and can do business to basically have more competition and innovation. Well, if you love Gmail, the new Gmail, you'll be happy. If you hate it, well, coming this October, you'll be stuck with it whether you like it or not, and there will be no way to go back. Google has announced that the new Gmail experience will be rolling out to everyone in October. Amazon wants to help out with security. It says that it will stop selling connected toys that might have some security flaws or that companies don't update properly. They say that they want to make sure that these toys are safe. And Intel has announced some new chips, of course, at Computex, including one that runs at 5 GHz. But it says it will work hard to have chips that really impact battery life. And that is probably an indication that it's a little scared of ARM processors that have typically very long battery life on PCs. So it's going to be interesting to see. And this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, June the 5th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.